It's that time of year where you step outside into the cooler air and remember that you have to finish cutting the post on your handrail or even finish some other outdoor project before the winter. But as you look around, there's only one thing you notice: leaves. Leaves everywhere. The backaches, the blisters. Although raking leaves gets you prepared for shoveling snow, I had enough. Hey everyone, this is the 40 volt vac attack from Ryobi, another one of their gas-like power tools. And since I already have a couple of these, I might as well just add another one to the set and let you guys know what I think. Initially, putting this tool together was straightforward. A couple clicks, snaps, pops, snap, crackle, pops, and everything was together. Now that our feeding tube is assembled, we're gonna attach our bag and secure it in place, and then add these little wheels to roll around the tube, and then the final touch, lock and load. The vac attack weighs 9.6 pounds, not including the small 4 amp hour battery that I attached. Yeah, there's no leaves in the bag, so this is the lightest that it will be. We're gonna give it an easy task now to just pick up the leaves on the deck. It actually had way more power than I thought it would have, so we're gonna throw it in denser leaves here. They're a little damp, so we'll see what it can do. And in less than 30 seconds of using it, we have our first problem. It is blocked. On our second go here, let's be a little less aggressive. One of the features the vac attack has to give you a little bit of peace of mind is the metal impeller. You don't have to worry too much about what you're picking up, like sticks or acorns, and it's supposed to mulch the leaves so finely so that if you would normally have 16 bags left at the end of your raking, you would now only have one mulched bag. So the guys who pick up those compost bags will thank you. However, getting that one bag of mulched leaves together, as you can clearly see, gave me a hard time. The bag comes with a Velcro zipper combination to help empty it. However, even with this, the leaves still stay stuck in the bag. The vac attack has a trigger that you have to keep squeezing, so there's no option to lock it in place, and some people might not prefer this. And we have another blockage here, which I reach my hand in to empty, and something just doesn't smell right. And this is where I learned the importance of the variable speed setting. Low, medium, and high. High will suck up unwanted things. After a quick hand wash, we're back at it, and I'm still surprised on how well this thing picks up damp leaves, and I'm also surprised on how fast the bag fills up. After filling up 2 bags on the vac attack, which is about 2/3 of a regular leaf bag, I look around and So now we're starting our third bag and we're getting our third blockage. Double check for no surprises this time. All clear. However, there was a surprise, and the surprise was my battery didn't even make it through 3 bags. And here is the biggest problem with this tool. When the bag has some leaves in it, it touches the ground when the wheels touch the ground. To make the bag not touch the ground, then the wheels won't touch. So you're in this battle between using the wheels and scraping the bag on the floor. So now that it was time to switch batteries, I decided to do what everyone else does and put it in my lawnmower. Using the vac attack was just way too time consuming for the amount of leaves that I had. Now, the vac attack did become useful when you're around, trees and shrubs and hedges and stuff like that. This is where I think this tool really shines. This tool is for people that will go out every weekend, pick up whatever leaf is on the ground, do a cleanup every weekend. If you're like me and then the leaves just all fall all at once and you want to pick it up, it's going to be so much work to use this tool out in the open. Like, I would highly recommend using the lawnmower and just using this tool in the corners around the bushes, because the biggest downfall with this tool is the bag. It's such a hassle to work with. It's heavy, it touches the ground, it's hard to empty, it just takes so much time. And if you look closely here, it even unclipped because it drags on the ground. Even though this tool has good power, it has to be my least favorite Ryobi tool that I own. That's 40 volts. Please leave a comment if you know a brand that does it better. After all is said and done, I don't believe that the vac attack makes things that much easier than just raking. I mean, your back is still gonna feel it while you're trying to empty these bags. It's just a pain. The lawnmower bag is much easier than this bag to use. And just the amount of times that this tool blocked on me. Yeah, maybe it's my fault. Maybe there's too many leaves. Some of them are damp. That's why I would recommend people to go out every weekend with this tool. Pick up whatever's fallen. Do your sweep along the deck, along the fences, around the hedges and bushes. This is where this tool is going to shine. Not in the situation that I put it in. I had great expectations, thinking like, oh, I could just walk outside and suck up all the leaves and throw them in a bag super quickly and be done with it super fast. But like you saw, not the case. If you want to see what tool I use to trim the grass around my fence and hedges, check out this video right here.